People, speak my mind, people. What's up? You see that arrow? What do you see there? That's an open mouth, you know. And you see the red over here, so? I describe how the teeth them yellow. And you see around here, so? Which part you see the white arrow the pint? Just read the caption. Big broke off rotten teeth. A teeth in a TGal mouth. Teeth them yellow like the yellow bus. Marian. Marian Wetters come to the front of the Agpen gate. Calling, one. Calling two. Calling three. Marian Wetters. You know what's the terminology of Wetters in Jamaica? When there's a nobody. Nothing good about you. When you walk and you lay with he, she, and the old lady. When you're coming like the white line on the road, every car come run over you. That's the terminology. That's the meaning of a... You understand what I say? Wetters. So Marian Wetters. You me a talk to. Come here. Come to the front of the Agpen line. Me a call out you. The three little pigs. But you me a call out now. My people. Speak my mind, people. What's up? Because me telling you, you know, me have a local file for Marian Wetters from Franklin Town. See a lady come and she show her up from George's Lane. Well, the private investigators are work. Because I feel like I own alone have investigators. I feel like I own alone can't work. So, speak my mind, people. Let me get into this now. You now see Marian Walters will find, or Marian Wetters will find so much time for inner people business. While you're one can't, because the first Mr. things can't and not spoil. Because when you can't meet, it can stay for years and not spoil. But year one a spoil immediately. You understand? And right here up on my phone, me have whoa. No sir. Man, that hurt me. Can I take a little sip of my ginger beer? One Nation, you ready? Because I'm going to read out a part of Marian file, you say, you know. Marian Wetters. Marian Wetters. Come make a reason. Stay right at the gate, you know. Come through Agpen, you know. Don't come through. Or you don't tell the people them say, the Rasta man when you meet online and fly to Jamaica only to come back with a STD. Why you don't make that a point of duty to come tell your spectators, your supporters, your subscribers, your followers, and your crony them? So you meet one Rasta man online and you fly come to Jamaica and come back with STD. Eh? Why you not tell the people them that? Come Marian man, talk to me now man. Marian, you want me to talk more? You don't answer. Marian, why you drive out the entire New York? You understand? And talk about you going to your business. TGal, tell the people them say you lose a share. What you having at the bakery? The share space where you having at the bakery no man. Marian Walters, come tell the people them now. Marian Wetters, tell the people them. Say you lose the share space where you have in the bakery. And you drive around the whole of New York to make it look like you're going to work. You're going to your business. And tell the people them why you lose it. Because you can't afford to pay the rent. Come to Marianne Wetters. Come talk to the people them, my girl. Talk to them. So the owner let you pay $50 per 2 hours. That is when you have a little one cake for go make. Or a little tooth cake, or you have a little cupcake for go make. TGal, come now, man. Come talk to me nation, no man. Me want nation people them, no man. Because I read out your file. That one name read out your file, you know. That one name read out your file, me you go read out your file. Read out your file, me you go read out your file. Cause me get your file in my phone and me I read out your file. If it not go so, it go near so. Cause not everything you hear, it might go so. But if it not go so, it go near so. $50. The man charge you for 2 hours. Because you didn't have a shared space at the place, you know. But you can't afford to pay the rent. At girl Marianne. Marianne with the big old broke off rotten teeth around here, so. I want to give me that foreign as long as Uno. And me go foreign with any farm at little fault. Whether rotten teeth, bad teeth, yellow teeth, any farmer fault me go foreign with. After they are foreign for a while, especially people like you, Marianne Wetters. We go on like you have a little purse or carry in your bag. Cause you're this proud business woman. You know? You have your business to operate. You know? Yeah, and whatsoever. I have this a big old broke off rotten teeth around here, sir. And your teeth them yellow, sir. You must be mad. Me that big fine and a angle at $2, me have to fix up them something there. If I have to stay broke, them they have to fix up worse. Yo, we're going like your hat, sir. The time when you take for do your body, where you never go to the dentist, go plunge out that big old rotten teeth around here, sir. Eh? Where you never go to the dentist, make the dentist plunge out the big rotten broke off teeth. Can you imagine? You have to go back now and your house gone bake. Because you can't pay the rent for the shared space where you have. Because you make it look like you did have this big old bakery. Because I'm telling you already, you know, my people. Them are too hot and hype. For them rent space to do them baking. Because I'm here up on one video, I'm going to the bakery now. Bakery. Bakery. And you can't show your bakery on the phone. You were big and hype, so Marianne Wetters. Come now, man. Come talk to me, man. So my people, me did tell you a long time, say this woman has no bakery. It's just the whole delusional with this woman delusional. And the competition where she want to, you know, with somebody with the head of her. You understand? Me get to understand, say you have all a style. When you're ready, you recycle the cake photo them. You know, you recycle them because you don't know technology, my people, and phone and computer. She recycle the cake photo them, make it look like, say, okay, she just done another cake, and this is what happened, and this is what happened. We know all of them something, Marianne. We are get it, you know. We are get it. But the thing when me want to know, I really want to find out. And the next thing, Marianne Wetters. Oh, me not hear oh, me not hear your answer. Send Mishit come answer for you, know, like how Mishit can answer for Lord. Because you're at water this, you know. Marianne Wetters. Why you don't tell the people them say, no, for the time when you have the cake them a decorate, I know you bake them. And this is the same reason why I always wonder, oh, Dana can show when she in her kitchen, show her kitchen. Oh, Dana can show you when she do her ingredients. Oh, Dana can show you when she go buy her ingredients and she have them pile up. Oh, Dana can show you when she mix her butter. We want to criticize everything about Dana's space, Dana's kitchen. Dana don't have a bakery. Dana people them no license. Them no food and glass permit. Dana this, Dana that. And she mix up all kind of cake and she soon poison people. And this and give people all kind of bad belly. But yet still, we can see all of them something in a phone to make our own decision. But when you are bake, we can't see. Hey, the only time me see Tina, me don't know for owner, but me I talk for myself. I put a cake together is when she decorate it. And this your investigation when me get, this a news when me get in my phone. Make me intend to believe, say this goes off it true. Because I don't know if Uno ever see Tina a mix her butter yet. She bake. Never. She never have no ingredients piled up on a table and nothing where you can say, yes, she go bake you now. Every time I see this woman, is decorate, she decorate a cake. And me get to understand, say, she go to the supermarket and buy the cake, carry on the cake, and then do the decorative part of the cake. And make it look like as she bake the cake. So to that come like in Jamaica, you know, you got a price market, you go buy one nice fruit cake. If you want 2 layer, if you want 3 layer, all you have to do is just buy 3 cake. If it's a 3 layer you want. And you might have the little skills, you know, to shape it up and shape it down. And you don't know, you set it with the ice up on top and you get your 3 layer. So it coming like as she bake the entire cake. She not bake no cake. Most of the time, me say she not bake no cake. She might do now and again, but most of the time, Marianne Wetters don't bake any cake. She buy the cake at the supermarket and go home and decorate it. Because this is what me I say. Oh, you feel operate a business. You understand? For a person who love phone, so a social media person. And you now promote your business. But you get up every day, I promote a next person business. Because basically, you know, I promote AD business. You figure more or less say you do it in a negative way. Yes, it might seem so on the phone when you come out with your dirty talk and your little negative talk, but I promote it because as you see, every time you talk, she just keep rising. So I promote it. But you will love phone, so now promote your own business. Because you're not coming to the public, show the public your space. You're not coming to the public, show the public how, okay, I go out and I get some things at the wholesale at the supermarket, you know, 2 cases of rum because it's Christmas. This, that you might can't go as heavy as AD because we know you don't have it. You just have pretend to. You understand? But show the public, promote your business on your phone. And stop take the time for fasting at somebody and other people overall where I go ahead of you. You understand? All you do is just get up every day and mail with people. Yeah, walk and tell people, say, how much? What? Me looking up and I tell me I have the information in my people. Me I bleed it out, you know. God say me get a chop on me hand today. Me I bleed it out. You understand? Them say, yeah, bake in New Jersey. You not bake nowhere, man. You not bake nowhere, Tina. You not. Marianne Walters. Marianne Wetters. Why you tell the people them say you bake? And you know come tell the people them say a caregiving work you do. Eh? Every day you drive out and gone like say you have got work. You got your bakery according to you go bake. The people them spot you push you. Look at old lady in the wheelchair. I got the doctor office one day. Who is that little old lady in the wheelchair that you were pushing to the doctor office the other day? Come out, come tell the people them that. Entrepreneur, businesswoman Marianne Wetters, professional baker Marianne Wetters, the lady with how much website. Tina Cake shit.com. Come out, come tell the people them. Who was that little old lady you're pushing in the wheelchair? Was it your grandma? Was it your great grandma? Was it your husband? Was it your boyfriend, mother? Who is he? Who's she? Come on, tell the people them. Oh, you know, come out, come tell the people them, say, a caregiving work you do. Come out, come tell the people them all like that. You come out about everybody business. You know everything about everybody. And you ball it out. And I promote people. Come promote yourself. You don't want some more old people to look after. You don't want some more old people to wipe them bottom. Come out, come promote your business, the man. Come on. Marian Wetters. Myself stay right at the hog pen door. You may a chat to. Don't go back into the flock. Oh, you love mingle with Laura and Michelle, sir. Eh? You come to the front of the hog pen door, Marian. Tell the people them who is the old lady. Tell the people them, no man. Tell the people them. Tina, I tell you, you know. You are your downfall of your own business. Because you say what if you are doing a phone and promote your business, and not that you do. You are trying to tear down other people in a phone and realize that your own self you are tear down TGal. You come on phone and it was allegedly said that you how much you say you spit in a cake and give people. And now me have it on file. Again. Where? Let me read it, my people. Just like how me read out Urian Miller post. She even told someone that some people who is planning to attend Marcia Gala in July. I don't know if I the mannequin. I don't know if I kakai, but me I read. Because as me saying, the investigators are out there. So seem like how we have investigators. Yeah, we have investigators over here so too. And we analyze what have been said before we come on the ear. And we talk. Because we know people will make up shit. But she even told someone that some people who is planning to attend Marcia Gala in July, she and her not talk. She and her not talk. So that simply means this is a specific person. Listen to my people. She even told someone that some people, yeah, somebody thinks a lot of people, but who is planning to attend Marcia Gala, which Marcia me don't know, in July, she and her not talk. That simply means it's an individual. But listen, listen. And this is why me I tell us that this woman here bring down her own business. I don't know. And look how she could poison them in a special cake. This is what the professional baker is talking about. This is what the entrepreneur is talking about. This is what the educated person who is running business is talking about. So who can't come tell someone educated now, TGal? Listen, sit there now. On my phone this day now. Has been sent to me. She even told someone that some people who is planning to attend Marcia Gala in July, she and her not talk, and look how she could poison them in a special cake. So, just look on the type of person who want to deal with my people. Look on the type of person who come in a phone and portray like they are this type of, you know, we don't call it, we don't even know if I've overclassed them, but they are so educated that them show all kind of things on the duns. Because them come in a phone can come talk probably proper English, or as I said, them American. They know they're kind of Americanized, so them talk American. So them feel like that make them educated. But look deeper in the issue. We do what me just say. If this makes she educated. Because how can you run in a business? And this is what you're going to come and say. Because you must have been said this in open ear for somebody hear it. This is not just put your hand over your mouth and talk to yourself. Yeah, the one where I come a Marcia Gala, you know. And you know, so me can poison her, you know, one special cake. And never yourself you talk to. So you must have been said this to someone. And if me is a business person, if me even have this thinking about someone who me feel hurt me, or somebody who me feel like is my enemy, I would never go and say this to no one more than keep it in a me. If me didn't even have that intention, and at the same time, Or would you poison someone in a special cake? Unless it's just some little finger cake you're going to make. And all you're going to know, say, because I'm sure no one of you are going to end up sharing the cake. You might provide the cake, but you're not the one that's going to share it. So all you're going to know, say, that person where you want to make that special cake for, that is the cake. That's the cake where she forget, each she going to get, and not somebody else. And if so be the case, if it's a big cake, so much people you're going to do away with, just to get at one person, you is the educated person who come in a phone. You are the one who come in a phone with your attitude, piece of chaff teacher, you know, so big broke off rotten teeth. Me people no look, you know. Look at the start of the video and make me show you again. Make me show you again. Me bring it up and show you. See it there? Look. See the arrow point there? Oh no, look. See it there? See it there? I want big dirty rotten broke off teeth that up in here, so. Then me can't that big foreign. Me find money for go do body, put on body, and all them sit and them have them big rotten teeth here. Remember now, you know, your face are the first thing a person see. Then they looking at your mouth. Because if me I look at a woman at the first place that me look at her mouth, then me look on her breast. Then me start examining the rest of her body. And you look here, my people. I don't just look here. My people. The unknown species. Because we have our investigator them out there work, you know. See the unknown species that we feel like she can't hide and hide forever. One named Mishit. See it here? See me here? How are they? Me and my friend and my sister Stacy I describe her. I said based on the tone of the voice, how she sound down here, so can't better than somebody well lookable. See how I miss shit. Yeah, see how I miss shit this my people. See it? Fear one of them water buffalo. Look on her. And them come in a phone and criticize and go on in a class people and say them have them education and them have them this and them have them that and them in a them big job. See them here? Them they ever lookable. No way them tannable. Look on them. And them criticize and talk the most thing about people. This is me shit. We're in a hiding all long. Unknown species me shit. See how? Yeah. We have no man. No feel no way. We have no. So you can continue go and hide. You and your friend. But last but not least, my people, I have one for sure now. Because we are showing so we investigated them at work too, you know. Yes, my people. Because me I tell the investigator them I work, you know. Watch out, my people. How this? You switch for the arrow the point? You no guess and tell me how I go on this, so. Them shame. Shame, them shame. A TGal this, you know, when she get caught with the drugs, you know, the nurse a carry up in her crotch, you know. See, that she take a paper and she a hide the handcuff. Big old prison board them, but then come in a phone and disrespect people. When them mash up them life because them want to reach to the top too fast. You understand? See them there? Or them that. In her full white. See the water behind her? Yeah, carrying her either to court or to the cellar where she must go. See them there? And them you want to come in a phone and go at them have no dignity and have no character. And them not have nothing at all. See it there? Big old rotten teeth. And them you go on like them cruel in a phone against people, my people. See them there? A TGal this. Watch a big rotten teeth, see it? Me could have never done a big fine or a teeth that broke off in my head. You understand? And I go on like me hype, so. If I have my last dollar, me have to go take out that they broke out teeth out of my head. Speak my mind, people. There's a lot more we are going to continue to expose. You understand? These people are carrying on them business in a phone after trying hard to carry on the next person and them not realize. You understand? Because there is so much this woman do. And I realize that all of what she are doing and say where our profession is concerned, it a help beat our business bad. Because who would I really want yam from you after allegation is that you're spitting a cake to people? Now you come and say you can end up poison cake for people who are going to go after certain people, gala, and all these things. And me fi turn you on yam from you. Even your own supporters afraid for yam from you. Me can tell you that with all of this you are going. All of who go like them have your back right now afraid for yam from you. And you're going to find yourself can sell one cake. You're going to find yourself a talk about buy one you get 5 free instead of buy 6 and get 6 free. You're going to hear about buy 1 and get 5 free. You understand? That foreigner going like you at and can't pay for your little space where you get. You understand? And then you're going like your own bakery, you have bakery. You all wanna be. You and your next 2 hog friend them. No wait, man. Judgment Day is coming soon. Judgment Day is coming soon. Remember, speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Press that thumbs up. Give the video a like. Please to watch the ads. And remember, go over and support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. The link will be in the description or pinned in the comments section. So let me hear what you have to say about this. Woman they all about I push people in a wheelchair and say she gonna bakery, she gonna do her job, she gonna bake cake. But if she's so excited for bake one cake what day, me no need to know nothing more. She not have no job I do, she not get no work. You understand me? I say no work she not get. Cause if you're excited to bake one cake so and you have so much you have so much job and yet still you can't pay your rent, that the man break it down to $50 for every 2 hours when you have something to do, and you still probably can't find it. You have to go back to your yard in your kitchen with the big old washing machine. Move from there. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.